Experience the vibrant charm of Haigh Court Liverpool's premier student accommodation, nestled in the heart of this dynamic city. Choose from a variety of spacious two-bedroom apartments, one-bedroom apartments, or en-suites, each thoughtfully designed with a cozy bed, dedicated desk area, and plenty of storage for your essentials. But that's just the beginning. Say goodbye to everyday stress with convenient on-site laundry facilities, a cozy common room, and lightning-fast Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Benefit from bike storage, easy access for disabled guests, and an elevator to all floors, making your stay comfortable and hassle-free. With 24/7 assistance and an on-site service team, you'll always feel secure. Plus, with all utility bills included, you can focus on what truly matters, your studies. Perfectly located, Haigh Court is just a short drive away from Liverpool John Moores University and the Liverpool Institute for Performing Arts, so you'll never be late for your lectures. When it's time to unwind, enjoy a coffee at chat time or a pint at the Food Pub with friends. Need groceries? Philharmonic Mini Market is right outside your door. With a network of bus stations nearby, getting around the city is a breeze. Ready to immerse yourself in the true spirit of Liverpool? Head over at amberstudent.com and book your perfect stay at Haigh Court today.